Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel, and katatapos na namin mag-swimming and now we're preparing ourselves para lumabas mag-dinner at doon din yata kami kakain sa kinainan ni Martin kanina na pizza kasi nasarapan siya doon, masarap yung pizza doon, so baka doon din kami. At ako naman, hindi ko talaga feel yung mga ganong pagkain, pero anyway, it's okay kasi naman for the past few days, yan naman yung nag-adjust ng mga food kasi ako din naman yung nag-enjoy talaga ng mga Filipino food. At siya, chicken. Ganun lang. So, ngayon naman, it's his time naman na kung anong gusto niya talaga kainin. At makakain naman ako, pero mga slices lang ng pizza, hindi yung buong ganun. Hindi ko talaga feel yung mga pizza-pizza, pero okay lang naman. Babawi na lang ako sa mga maiinom. So, yun, nandun pa siya, nagpapapugi. Ang obvious na ko yung pagngingitim, pero I like it this way actually. Dati parang obsessed ako na pumuti. Alam niyo yun, yung parang umiinom pa ako ng pills guys para pumuti, pero as I get older, mas na-appreciate ko na talaga yung yung kayumangging kulay. So I'm happy na nagaganito yung kong kulay ko. So yun, see you later. Looks nice.
That's what you want.
Have dai pasta, pizza. Serious, what are you gonna have?
I'm gonna have
No, there's nothing there. I've been there.
show my.
That's why I just eat like one slice.
Yeah. Okay,
Really?
later I will eat somewhere.
Yeah, that's what I said also. Kumating, can I just have a slice and then later we find the food for me? Okay, but it never happened. Every time I stop by a little bit, Martin, I want this. Oh, we got no time. Got no time.
You get to say, what are you gonna do when you?
I don't know. I asked him, do you got business meeting or what? No time on vacation. We got all the time in the world. Dati kasi nakakakita ko ng mga presyo na nasa mga 250. Dito guys, 650. Lang naman, very basic na parang dress sa dagat. Ewan ko ba? Bakit ang mahal na dito sa Pinas, oy? No, actually not. It's just maybe dito sa Aluna Beach area kasi nga, diba, tourist area siya, dami mga foreigner, ganyan, kaya medyo mahal. Pero gusto ko talaga sana bumili, pero nung nakita ko yung price na 650, hindi na ako bumili, guys, oy. Kaya ginamit ko na lang tong matagal na rin ito.
Asan na ang bagay?
I think 4 years old, 4 years na ata ito sa akin. Pero this is my second time to wear this. Buti naman at nagkasya pa, ganyan. So yan, ang tagal nila magpaganda guys. Yung friend ko, ang tagal niya magpaganda. Tapos ang complain niya kasi ang dami daw mga kalamukan dito, ganyan.
Ay, suya kay ko atong guwapa dito dai ba. Ug lamig ko dai pandit dai.
Ano?
Kanang dili, di ba? Siya puti, no?
Dahil ganang mga magagandang mga skin, yung mga talagang magaganda. Sa atin, daanin na lang natin sa charm. Sa charm na lang daanin, no? Ano yung nilalagay mo, Hazel?
Lotion.
Of lotion? Okay. For kids.
What are you doing?
Yeah.
That chocolate is good.
Eating my dessert.
Then I got tiramisu. Ooh, and of course the chocolate man. Say hello to the chocolate man.
This is good.
That's the chocolate
Yeah,
man.
it's good. That's it.
He loves chocolate
Take it.
and coffee.
Basta you feel good mo dahil nakasa tropical time.
That was yummy.
Mango.
Lamig bang mango?
That was goddamn good. Ooh. Let's try the tiramisu.
May ano dai. Lamig yung mango.
It's also good. Okay, that's it for now. Bye, babies.